Exercise 5.3. You see the question number 18. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with the centers alternatively at A and B. Starting with the center A of radius 0.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, dot dot dot. What is the total length of the spiral made of 13 consecutive semicircles? What we have to do? First of all, we have to draw the semicircles with the alternative centers. First of all, you have to take the center A, and after that you have to take the center B. Here you see, suppose you are taking the centers on the line. Here you see. Center A you are taking here. With center A, you are drawing one semicircle with the radius 0.5 and let its length of the arc be L1. Again, second circle you are drawing with the center B. This is the B center. Another circle you are drawing like that. Here is the center. Here. B is the center. What is the length of this arc? Let it be L2. Now, third circle again you are taking, third semicircle you are taking with the center A. Center A, its length will be L3. Like that, many arcs you have to draw. Many semicircles you are supposed to draw. I am writing here, let L1, L2, L3 dot 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 be the length of the arcs of successive semicircles. You do one thing. Most probably you might have written the question, or you may follow the question from your book. Here I have to rub it to proceed more. You calculate L1 is equal to, from here you have to start now. L1 is equal to, circumference of a circle is equal to, you are getting 2 pi r, you are getting 2 pi r. But it is semicircle, so what will happen? Here, half of 2 pi r. Here, instead of r, I am writing r1. Why it is so? You see, 2 cancel, leave it, pi as it is. R1 is what? 0.5 centimeter. You see, first radius is 0.5 centimeter. So I am writing 0.5. So you see, 0.5 pi you are getting. L2 is equal to how much you will get? L2 is equal to, you are getting, L2 means this one. What is the radius here? This radius is 0.5, but here radius will be larger. This radius is 1 centimeter. So pi, 2 pi R2 by 2 is equal to, why it is so? 2 pi r means what? Circumference. And L1 is what? Half of the circumference. L2 is what? Half of the circumference. 2 cancel. Here you see pi instead of R2. You are getting 1 centimeter, so you are getting pi. Here you see, I am going to rub it now also, a spiral. L3 is equal to, you are getting 2 pi R3 by 2. 2 cancel. You are getting pi. Instead of R3, you are having 1.5. So, 1.5 pi you will get. Therefore, we are getting L1, L2, L3 as 0.5 pi 1.5 pi dot. You see, they are in AP. Why they are in AP? You see, pi minus 0.5 pi, you will get 0.5 pi. Again, 1.5 pi minus pi, you are getting what? 1 pi cancel, so 0.5 pi. They are in AP. Here 0.5 pi 1.5 pi dot are in AP. Here, therefore, A is equal to, you can write 0.5 pi. D is equal to what you can write? D means common difference. D is equal to, you are getting 1.5 pi minus 0.5 pi is equal to, you are getting 0. That is equal to, you are getting this is 1 pi. 1 pi or pi, it is same thing. So pi minus 0.5 pi, you are getting 0.5 pi. You got common difference. Now you have to find out n is equal to what you have to take. N is equal to 13. Why? Because you have to find out the sum of 13 consecutive spiral, which are semicircular. So as 13 is equal to, you can write 13 by 2 twice A. Twice A means what? A, what I got? A is equal to 0.5. So I have written 0.5 pi. Plus, you know, n minus, what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2. Twice A plus n minus 1. What is n? N 13 minus 1. What is common difference? Earlier we have got common difference 0.5. 5 pi. My dear students, I am going to rub Eva. So you are getting as 13 is equal to 13 by 2. 0.5 into 2, 5 2 are 10. So 1.0 you are getting. 1.0 means what? 1 only. So 1 pi or pi, it is the same. You write pi only. Plus 13 minus 1, you are getting 12. And 0.5 again you are getting 5 pi. You calculate, my dear students, pi. 12 into 5, you are getting 60. So 6.0 you are getting. pi. That means 13 by 2 pi plus 6 pi, you are getting 13 by 2 into 7 pi. (91 by 2 pi). You can do one thing. Instead of pi, in the last you can write pi's value. We are taking 22 by 7. 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 7 into 30. Now you multiply. What you are getting? 13 1 ja 30, in hand 1, 13 1 ja 13 and 14 you are getting. So in this way you write centimeter. Therefore sum of 13 spirals, given a spiral 13, it is written sum of 13 spirals is equal to 143 centimeter. I think it is your answer.